Rice traceability. Pakistan is the world's fourth largest rice exporter, with rice exports valued at over $2 billion annually. The rice industry provides employment to around 20% of the country's workforce, mainly in rural areas. The rice sector plays a vital role in Pakistan's economy, contributing significantly to exports and employment. However, the rice sector in Pakistan grapples with numerous challenges to remain competitive and compliance with the international markets and its standards. This ranges from risky supply of Pakistani-grown rice due to climate change, water scarcity, and outdated farming practices, which affect yields and quality. Additionally, the rice industry struggles with inefficient supply chains, inadequate infrastructure, and limited access to credit, lack of awareness among farmers and traders, increasing demand for reduction in carbon footprints, import duties and lack of traceability affecting exports and consumer trust. SAWiE is Pakistan's innovative digital platform that supports climate-smart regenerative agriculture solutions. Its values are based on a holistic approach to address the rice industry's challenges with sustainable farm ecosystem thinking. CropScan. SAWiE employs cutting-edge satellite technology for accurate area estimation and crop identification, providing a real-time snapshot of the rice crop. SAWiE has developed advanced algorithms enable precise yield forecasts. The rice industry to plan their buying decisions. The AI-enabled tools predict any losses due to natural calamities, including floods, hailstorms, droughts, etc. Rice cluster with digital tools and agronomists on ground. SAWiE offers a unique blend of digital and cluster-based services to develop vertical linkages with rice farmers to grow rice up to 10,000 acres. These clusters are based in rice-growing belts of Punjab, Sindh and Baluchistan province. SAWiE supports farmers to make informed decisions about choosing right varieties, appropriate time of sowing, irrigation, harvesting, storage, and post-harvest activities. Regenerative agriculture solutions. SAWiE promotes sustainable and regenerative agriculture in the rice fields to improve soil health. SAWiE provides weather forecast, irrigation scheduling, early detection of pests diseases through regular pest scouting using AI and machine learning. We promoted regenerative agriculture practices, environment-friendly pest control through integrated pest management IPM, bringing leguminous crops, livestock agroforestry to improve soil health and soil carbon. Traceability solutions with QR code. SAWiE brings transparency to the supply chain with its traceability solutions, providing a chain of custody from farm to fashion. Our traceability system guarantees quality assurance, providing consumers and businesses with the confidence in the origin and quality of the rice. SAWiE Trace collect all data on farm level, including inputs used, amount of water used, the carbon emissions, amount of fertilizers and chemicals used in rice production. If you want to know about crop information, crop health through satellite, and weekly weather updates, so please download the SAWiE mobile application. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook to stay tuned.